step is to get the connection stream so we can connect the application to the database. So we go to the DB security database, connection string, no, see connection string. We want to be using .NET, so we copy this one, we go to Visual Studio, we go to the app settings, we change the connection string, and we change the password, and then we run the application. We see that it is connected to successfully and it is sitting in the database. We're sitting in the database using the information that is here. This is the users that are gonna be sitting in the database, their password and the name. And we can go and check that this is working. Let's see, this is running in port 5001. And we go to Insomnia, we call the database, and we are getting our JSON Web Token.